Today we are going to be reviewing the Bodum Bistro electric blade grinder. See the Bodum logo on the side. I've never purchased from this company before, but I will probably have to after seeing the quality, how high it is of this product. Okay, first you'll take off the lid. You'll see that it's nice red. They have different colors in the black part, but red is mostly the same. You'll see on the clicking. That is also the pressure gauge to start the actual grinding. We'll show you that in a little bit. Alright, in the inside you'll see the blade. It's pretty sharp, not too sharp, but you know, enough to crush the beans. And it spins around when it's on. We'll crush some beans for you and show you. On the bottom, you can wrap the cord up for to put it on your shelf. I put it in my cabinet for that, and it wraps around very nicely. And you can, depending on how much cord you need, you can wrap it around and put it away for later. Alright, we're gonna plug it in and test her out. It is not very loud at all. We have a blender, and if blenders made sounds like this, I would be a very happy person. It does not make a loud sound at all. So we have some Kauai coffee beans right now, decaf, of course, and we're gonna blend it up and show you, see if you can hear the sound quality. It is not very loud of a blender bean grinder, so that's good. We'll put some beans in there. The best thing to do is press the red button 10-second intervals. 10 seconds, hold it down, release. 10 seconds, hold it down, release. 10 seconds, hold it down, release. That's the best suggestion we have to do a perfect grinding. Here, we'll see if we can get it a little on the camera so you can see inside what's happening to the beans. Alright, ready? 10 seconds, go. Do this 3 to 4 times. It makes it a lot more finer grind. Depends on how thick you like your grind. I like it pretty smooth. Of course, I think everybody would. But okay, you see the inside. We have the ground up beans perfectly. It smells amazing over here. You can't smell sadly through the camera, but we scoop it and I'll save it for later. I like buying beans, whole beans to blend myself. You could hear that it was not very loud at all. I could speak clearly over it without having to raise my voice. It's very nice. Overall, I give it 5 stars. I will definitely be looking to buy from this company again if I need any more of their products. And so, that is the Bodum Bistro electric blade bean grinder. So, I hope you enjoyed our review, and please, I hope this persuades you to buy.
Okay, so today I am trying out the Bodum Bistro electric coffee grinder. This one is in white. Here is the instructions. Always make sure to check them out just to make sure you're using it and cleaning it as it is intended to be used and cleaned. That looks pretty awesome. So we're just gonna rinse it out real quick and then we'll try it out. And this is the Lavazza brand espresso beans. Oh, it smells delicious. It's got a little max level there. Put the little lid on, press the button. Okay. Wow, nice. This can be stored with the lid on if you don't use all the grounds. You can just keep it like that and use it the next day. No lie, that is amazing. I think there's no going back. I think that grinding our own coffee is a way to go. Wow.
This part is the safety. There's a little switch in there that when this goes in, this part, that's the only way that the grinder turns on. But some coffee got in there, I can't get it out. So now, every time you plug it in, that's not functional.
The problem is when you press the button, nothing happens because the lid, and you have to really mess with it. It's still not working. There it goes. Okay.
It stopped working.